Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, and like. Without further ado, here's our 2017 International DuraStar 4300. This is going to be our 26-foot box truck with a ramp. It has 168,480 miles. This vehicle's GVWR is 25,999 pounds. And we have stock number 37373. Getting this tank holds roughly around 50 gallons. Coming around this way, we do see we have some good quality tires. These tires are in amazing shape. And then right with that, we do have our recently painted chassis. This basically just prevents any type of rusting underneath our truck. Walking around towards this corner, as you can tell, this is what the actual box looks like. We do have a ramp right over here, so I will try to pull that out and show you what that looks like. And it's also fully equipped with the tow package. I will go ahead and also open it and give you guys a peek inside. With our box and our ramp out, inside the box itself, we do have the height being 8'4", our width being 8'1", and our box length being 26 feet. Our opening width is going to be 7'10", and our opening height being 7'7". We do have a clearance of 13 feet. Now being seated at the dash, you do see that it says 168,480 miles. And just a quick overview of what our cabin actually looks like. On our steering wheel itself, we do have cruise control, so that's nice. Moving over to the right side, we have our AC. This works well with the hot air, the cold air. It's very powerful as well. Below that, we do have our radio. This works well and it's very loud as well. It works well with AM, FM, and aux port. And as you can tell, it does say that we have an overhead clearance of 13 feet. I'm going to go ahead and show you our engine. Our vehicles are fully reconditioned and serviced, so I'd like to just take a quick here at our engine. And just some quick information on this engine itself. This is going to be a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB I6 engine with an automatic transmission. And that will wrap it up for today's 2017 International DuraStar. If you guys have any other questions on this 26-foot box truck, make sure you check out the description below. I will be leaving our phone number down there. Make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours if need be. Check out the link to the website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle we sell, along with the warranties that we provide with them. That's just our way of providing qualities for our customers. Make sure you check out all the information that I put down below. I'll be leaving a small information snippet. Feel free to check that out. Make sure you check out the small information snippet. I will be writing down everything I spoke about in the video just for you. I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.